Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a differential growth pattern on a mesh. So for example, this is the base mesh I'm using, which you can see it's this cup. I have right click and internalize this, so this is completely inside Grasshopper. So what I have to do is to connect the trigger to this differential growth and let it grow. As you can see here, it's going to produce the differential growth pattern. I'm going to explain how we're going to use the plugins to produce this on the mesh. And whenever we are okay with the pattern, we can increase or decrease the distance. We can pause the simulation and hit the mesh to true. Before that, we can also control the thickness here. So I'm going to put that to true. And here you can see that I have the final mesh. I can bake that and use that in Rhino. If I go to the rendered mode, you can see that this is the final result. Okay, let's get started from scratch. First, what I want to do is to use a predefined mesh. So you can see that I have used this mesh. If you want to see the mesh better, you can simply go to the display and use this custom preview to give it a little bit of a material. You can also use the swatch to give it a color, for example, maybe yellow, and you can also change the transparency if you want to. So that's also going to help you to see the mesh better. So if I turn it off, you can see the default color, and here we have the custom preview. Okay, before we start the pattern, what we have to define is a series of points, which is going to define the starting point of the pattern. I'm going to go to the params menu and select a point. For the point, I'm going to just right click and set one point, turn around my mesh and use the control key to bring it a little bit up. And this one point is going to be the start point of the pattern.